Hi, welcome to this video where we're going to focus on one of the statistical measures that we use when working with data. We're going to focus on mode. And again, we'll be using physical materials or manipulatives to help students understand the concept of mode. Okay, so often students will get a list of numbers and they'll be asked to find the mode, often without a context. And I think it's important to build a context into mathematics so that they understand where they would actually use something like mode. So I'm going to use it in terms of age. We want to know the mode, which is the most frequent. Frequent is a mathematical term we use, frequency, meaning how often it occurs. So we're looking for the most popular, the one that occurs the most number of times when we're looking for mode. So we're going to look at age, and I have data cards made up for using when students are working with data from prep onwards. They can use data cards, and I've just enlarged or rewritten the age here so you can see it. Students get a list of numbers, and what they need to look through and find is the one that occurs the most times. So one easy way of doing that is just to sort their data into piles. And this becomes even more useful when we're doing the other statistical measures. But by sorting it physically, you can easily see if you've left anything out. You won't be able to leave it out, where often when students rewrite lists of numbers, they'll get the order wrong, lots of rubbing out and so on. So here I've ordered or grouped them into age groups, and very quickly you can see that 10 is the most common or most frequent age amongst these students, so the mode is 10. Now 10 was a standout. It occurred 4 times. The next closest was 8, which only occurred 3 times. If we had removed Miller here, we would have had 2 modes, a mode of 8 and a mode of 10. And you would state both of those. You don't find an average of them for mode. You just state each one that occurs the same number of times, the most frequent. I hope you found this video on mode useful. There are other videos you might be interested in on both median and mean. Thank you.